Hey, my people. How are you doing? You are welcome. One of my guys told me, there's a new website now that one can use to be cashing out. It is legitimate. They are selling wine. Have you tasted their wine? No. Have you touched their wine? No. But you are making money from their wine. Okay. If you want to do wine business, my brother, open a shop, buy top quality wine, start doing buying and selling. Why are you showing me a website? He said, no, I should review it. That is a legitimate website. And here I am. He said the name is ejwine.com. ejwine.com. And because I've reviewed a lot of these websites, yesterday I reviewed the Thumb Doc now. Earlier today, I reviewed Barrick Gold. So I'm already seeing that they have different packages. See this one, they say invest 40 USDT and you'll be earning 3 USDT, 3.2 USDT every day for 30 days. This one say invest 96 USDT, you'll be earning 7.68 USDT for 30 days. You see, all this invest and earn. Invest, do nothing, you will start earning magically. Who is buying the wine? It doesn't concern you. It is none of your business. Wow. And I'm now looking. Okay, let us see. Let me go to their about section so that you will begin to see what these guys are all about. Now, I click on the about section. Now, they are telling us that they are into wine, wholesale of wine, exporting. They do red wine and all that. They said that you will get 2 to 3 times the profit. Simply put, each member is an agent of the company. Your income comes in depending on how many red wine products you buy. Now, they now decided to offend me. They say our goal is to occupy the African market. Africa is always the target of any website that is looking for money to offer ROI. Africa is always the target. When I was reviewing AI mining, the one that Sabinus was their brand ambassador, when I exposed them as a scam, they wrote it. So part of their mission is to come and alleviate poverty in Africa. You know, they will claim to be a foreign company. Then they will now say that their mission is to come and alleviate poverty in Africa. Please, you guys, if you are really interested in our welfare in Africa and you claim to be a company based in Europe, open your borders. Give visa to all of us in Africa. Open your borders. Let us come there so that you can be assisting us right there with you. Don't come here and further complicate the issues we have in Africa. These guys want to leverage on the harsh economic conditions of Africa by bringing Ponzi after Ponzi to us. I'm still going to expose this website, but I'm already seeing the red flags here already. Okay? You want to exploit the African market, occupy the African market. Why don't you? So you love Africa more than you love yourselves? We don't even know, even if it is whether it's Africans that are behind this project. Maybe it's Africans scamming Africans. We don't even know yet. Okay. I leave them and I go back to the homepage. I want to show you something quickly on the homepage. Now, I circled this place and I put an arrow there. This slide is moving, but keep your eye on a particular word. It's called Gallo. You see the Gallo there? Gallo. You see Gallo? Gallo. Take note. I will let the slide go back there again so that you will see Gallo. All right? Gallo. You see the Gallo there? All right. You have seen Gallo. Okay. Take note of the word Gallo. 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 Stay with me. Now, I want to do a simple Google check of E and J. E and J. You see, when I Google check E and J, you see the first website in the drop down is Gallo Winery. www.gallo.com. You see in the description they say E and J Gallo Winery. Are you beginning to think what I'm thinking? All right. Keep it to yourself. Let's keep going. Scroll down. This is a Wikipedia post. You see, talking about the same company, E&J Winery. They are into winery. Look at their name, Gallo. The same Gallo you saw on the fake website that we are reviewing. All right, let's keep going. You see, this company was found in September 22, 1933. They have not even given birth to the fathers of these boys that are behind this fake website that we are reviewing. A company that was founded in 1933, you want to use their name to come and scam people by creating a fake website pretending to be them. You can imagine. Let's click on Wikipedia. Let it open more information for us about this website. E&J Gallo Winery. Okay, look at their website to confirm that the first drop down we saw is actually their website, gallo.com. Okay, now let us look at when this Gallo website was created. See, who is data for gallo.com? You see, their website was registered 27 years ago, June the 13th, 1996. That's to tell you it's an old company. So with the advent of the internet, they opened their website and they made their online presence known. Sure, you have seen it clearly. Okay, now let us look at the clowns that we are reviewing, that is pretending to be these people. Oh, okay, I did a who is check of EJ Wine that we are reviewing. See, these fraudsters registered their website just March 4th, 2023, the 4th day of March 2023. That's to tell you this is a brand new scam. Okay, they used a registrar in Singapore to open their website, and they are hosting it for just 1 year because they know that this platform, before 2 to 3 months, they have met their targets. They have defrauded all of us, carried the money and run away. So they hosted for just 1 year. Okay, so let me go back to the fraudulent websites we are reviewing and let me counterpunch. For how long? Yesterday it was Tom Duck. Those ones claim that they are selling fish, that you should come and invest money. They will put package like this. Money you invest, days, then daily return. Yes, they will put it. They know that you are greedy. They know that you are selfish. Yes, Africans patronize Ponzi schemes a lot. Asians have scammed Africans for much too long. The days of Bit Club advantage, that one will collapse. They'll go and refurbish it and breed another bit something. Scammers go. Wash, rinse, and repeat. That's what these guys are doing. Now, local scammers in Africa and Nigeria, they now know that Ponzi is a very lucrative format. So some of these platforms, even our local brothers, are the ones behind it, scamming us. They know that if they ask you, bros, give me 100K, you will not give them. But if they bring a website and they tell you that 100K can be giving you 1K every day, you will put your money there. So this scam format is very simple. Just to look for a brand that exists somewhere. Look at these people. They went to carry the name of a reputable wine company, created a fake website, pretending to be them, listing their products here, even put their name here and their logo here, pretending to be them, making you think that, oh, it's the legitimate one. You are investing in a legitimate company. If you do a little bit of digging and you're a subscriber of Victor Isibor Reviews, you are not going to fall for all these cheap scams. I have told you guys, anything that asks for your capital, they want to take your trade capital, your capital, in promise of a fixed amount of money on a daily basis for XYZ period. It's a scam. This their format. How many? Yesterday, it was Tom Duck saying they are selling fish. Come and invest. I exposed that one. That one is an ongoing scam. Some people are still putting their money right now. Barrick Gold is a reputable mining company in Ontario, Canada. People have come to change their website, Barrick/Gold, claiming and impersonating the original brand, asking you to bring money to be collecting returns on a daily basis, ROI business. That one is on ground. All of us saw when Hugh Jevers came and went. All of us saw when Fire VIP came and went. All of us saw when Mandarin Plaza came and went. Mandarin Plaza is actually a plaza that exists in the Ukraine. But these people created a website pretending to be Mandarin Plaza, collected people money and went away. Jumia, e-commerce giant in Africa, Jumia scam website was created asking people to invest. Many of us who were even victims of that Jumia scam, we know the original Jumia. Probably we even ordered some things from Jumia a day before. Then a funny website, jumia.com.ng, came to you. Then you decided to fall for that. Twitter follow came with this same modus operandi, and you fell for it, even though you know the original Twitter is not in any way affiliated to these people. InsMe was the first to use this format. If you people can cast your mind back a few years, InsMe. Invest, do some social media tasks, take screenshots of the tasks you did, and you get so and so XYZ amount of money. This is a scam. A very, very big scam. And don't fall for it. It will soon crash anyway. I give them a few months. Please, if you're looking for something legitimate, look in the description of this video. You will find a link to a website where you can begin to learn and earn from the crypto market. Your trade capital will be in your exchange of choice. They are not taking your capital. A business that can grow your money while your money is inside your pocket. Crypto is the future of money. Start thinking of ways to make money from crypto. Remember, according to crypto analysts, the next bull run for Bitcoin is coming very soon, next couple of months. Position yourself very well in crypto. A lot of multimillionaires will be made very soon. Look in the description of this video. Sign up, reach me, and let's talk business. This EJ Wine is a very big, smelly scam. By the time you are eating your Christmas chicken by December, this website would no longer be paying people. They would have brought other ones to cash out for Christmas season. Be careful, guys. That's all from me. I remain Victor Isibor. I'm out.